SUAPP AIR, weights and prompt words. For creativity weight, we recommend choosing the default weights for rendering is 0.5. When we pull the weight to 0.2, AI will play more role in design. The scenery and main buildings will be richer. When we pull the weight to 0.8, this means reducing the role of AI. It may be closer to the original model, but not absolutely. AI-created pictures are random. The original intention of SUAPP AIR is to provide a variety of inspiration ideas. It is impossible to fully restore the original design. It is recommended not to set the creativity weight to the highest or lowest value.
Prompt word. AIR offers many preset styles, already fine-tuned for you, so you can render high-quality visuals in one click. If you have specific goals or edits, you can control the result with prompts. For line drawings like this, we recommend Linksy V2. Linksy V2 is more sensitive to prompts and understands instructions more accurately. Prompts can be written in 4 parts: main subject, materials and details, environment and atmosphere, view and composition. Start with the main subject, a commercial office park. Then describe materials and details, followed by environment and atmosphere, and finally the camera view and composition. Click render, and you'll get a result that follows your prompt precisely. If you're not confident writing prompts, no problem. We've prepared preset prompt word. Just select what you need. No typing required, and the results still look great. If you want to match the style of a reference image, but don't know what to write, upload the reference to SUAPP AIR and click Prompt Read Image. The AI will quickly generate matching prompts. You can copy part of the generated prompt, go back to your line drawing, paste it in, and create a similar visual style. If you want to modify an existing render, you can also use prompts to control it. Brush the area to change, enter a clear instruction. For example, change the water in the lower left corner into greenery. Click render, and the edit is done quickly and accurately. Give it a try.